Alright, so I was just up on top of my huge behemoth bird cage. I was building on top of my base and decided to try and jump onto the brontosaurus head. By doing this, later on I realized that using the brontosaurus is great for building because then you don't have to build ladders. Right there I bragged about being able to jump onto the brontosaurus head from the top of the building and then I fell off. There are Uh, there's two obstacles in the way almost every time you have to jump. So you have to jump twice when you run into the obstacles, climbing up the brontosaurus neck. But yeah, that's about it. You can also shoot. While you're on the brontosaurus head. And I also found out if you fall into a dinosaur, most of the time you don't take damage. Sometimes you still will. Alright, let's gonna put the brontosaurus inside and see what it looks like. Finally got the cage enclosed. Dang, that's so high. How many is that? 17? 17 walls high. It's just over 8 floors wide. Yeah, just over 8. The tail sticks out like 100 feet out the back. Dang, that swing is huge. And brontosaurus. The head sticking out the other end. Doesn't even fit inside, even though the base is ginormous. Behemoth birdcage.